Buenos dias, Zamboanga. I'm here at Zamboanga. Here's the Immaculate Cathedral. Zamboanga, there's the Ateneo. Here's Zamboanga. And here's the SM. They called it Minpro. Minpro. So I'm here. Galing ko lang pumasok sa loob ng simbahan. And I'm going to tour you here in Zamboanga. So there's another road for the SM Minpro. Yan. So yan. This is the streets of Zamboanga. Yan, dami mga tricycle. So as of now wala pang mga tao. So it's early in the morning and here yan. I wake up early para punta ng church. Then, unfortunately, hindi ko nakita si Father Mirazol. Si Father Jeff. Here's the SM. Sabi na Minpro daw yung name. I thought it's Minpro. Minpro pala. Sorry. Player nito football. Yan. So, I'm going back to my hotel. I'm staying at Windsor Suites. Yan. So this is the main city of Zamboanga. So I'm looking for makapag-breakfast. So dun sa McDo closed. So hindi pa siya open. So now I'm searching for So, yan. Another streets of Zamboanga. So, most of the building here, parang ano na, tagal na. Here's, mostly dito mga mobile store. Ang dami na yung naglalakad. Yan. So Unicity. Here's the Unicity. Yan. So there's another street. Zamboanga yan. Sakurama. See? So here. Let's go to their plaza. So, may plaza sila doon. So, dumating ako dito last Tuesday. Then, pumunta nag-i-deal. Then, balik na naman dito sa Zamboanga. So, parang close pa ito. Jollibee. Yan. So, another mall. Zamboanga, yan. So, here's another street of Zamboanga. Oops. So, may mall doon. Gateway Mall. Ayun. Let's see. Ito yung Gateway Mall. Yan. That's their Gateway Mall. Gateway Mall. So close pa. So punta tayo sa plaza. Yan. Plaza. Siguro I will be eating my breakfast on Ja yan yung plaza nila. Happy Hari Raya. Yan. So doon plaza. There's plaza. Okay. Universidad de Zamboanga. So dito pala yung universidad. University of Zamboanga. And they call it Universidad de Zamboanga. So quick tour lang tayo dito sa Zamboanga, guys. Ayan o. Streets sa Zamboanga. Yan. So wala pa masyadong mga sasakyan. Mostly dito mga tricycle, mga badya. So siguro mamaya mga 8 marami na itong mga sasakyan. Okay. So ito yung Universidad de Zamboanga. So actually pang third time ko na to dito sa Zamboanga. So ganda ng Zamboanga. May uniform pala dito. Okay. So ito yung University of Zamboanga. Okay. Balik tayo. Let's go. Ikot tayo, ikot. Okay, KO. So this is the University of Zamboanga. Okay. So this is the plaza. Ito yung plaza nila. Yan, yung plaza. Plaza is in the center of the Zamboanga. So may Jollibee. Open kaya yung Jollibee. So yan. Okay. Here. Ito yung mga old house. Ito, Bilismas. So here's parang sa center ito yung central line na mga old pala ito. So ganda, guys. Ganda sa Zamboanga. Tapos cellphone. Ano po? Pala. Kailangan ko lang ikutin ng Zamboanga. Yan. Oh, nice. Universidad de Zamboanga. So another street. So we're going to yan. Ganda, guys, ganda. Ito ganda ng Zamboanga. Bawid tayo. Ganda, guys. Listil or Gulyo. Yan, so may McDo. Oh, ito. So, Nardo States. Ganda ba? So, kailangan pa talagang ikutin yung Zamboanga. So, much better if sa early morning. Kasi wala pang sasakyan. Then, hindi siya mainit. So, yan. Jollibee. Yan. Universidad di Zamboanga. Yan. Ganda guys ng Zamboanga. So, must visit place. Oh yun, open na. Open ang Jollibee. I need to take a breakfast para later my flights na. Bye guys, later. Afternoon. Last suppers. Southway Square. So that's it guys. Southway Square pa rin. So thank you for checking this tour vlog.